air springs are vital in the proper operation of your heavy-duty trucks. To avoid excessive wear and premature failure, it is important to keep a close eye on the system and perform regular maintenance checks. Keep these tips in mind the next time you perform preventative maintenance on your air spring systems. 1. Fully extend the rubber flex member of the piston so the piston is totally exposed and rinse with water. By promptly removing grit and grime from the highway, the effects of abrasion will be significantly reduced. 2. Overexposure to harsh chemicals such as gasoline, oil, or solvents will degrade the air spring rubber over time, also causing premature failure. If the air spring has been exposed to any of these, immediately rinse with water. 3. You can determine the longevity of your air spring by measuring the required pressure to achieve design height. When installing a new air spring, double check the pressure gauge rating when the vehicle is in a static idling condition. As time passes, check pressure rating, and when pressure increases by 15% to achieve design height and static idle condition, the air spring should be replaced as it is worn out. By consistently and properly caring for your truck's air springs, its performance and increased longevity is sure to be apparent. When it comes to air spring replacement, high-quality air spring is a must. Continental Air Springs are manufactured with high-quality elastomer materials, accounting for their excellent performance and longevity. Continental has been developing diverse and innovative solutions to meet our global customers' needs for over 5 decades. For more air spring maintenance tips and best practices, be sure to visit airspringreplacement.com. Thanks for watching.